No, come on, not now, not now. No. Afternoon, Derek.
Hello, how may I assist you?
Hi, Ashley. It's Josh at Second Star. Just wanted to confirm, how does Monday at 9 a.m. sound for the meeting?
Sure, yeah, I can do that.
Okay, great. Listen, we've been looking forward to this for such a long time, so I'm glad we can finally reach you.
Okay, bye.
Hello?
Cynthia? It's Derek.
Derek, how are you? Hey, I think you were working from home these days, too.
You know, it's funny that you should say that because I am actually calling because I would love to volunteer to take Edward's days remaining working in the office.
Wow. Are you sure?
I am, quite sure.
Look, I never liked you, Paul, and you know that. But I need you to do something for me.
Listen, I truly believe that Edward is an invaluable asset to not only our team, but to our clients as well, and for that reason, I think that he should be compensated. So starting immediately, I would like to triple his current salary.
Mr. Callum.
No, absolutely no excuses will be tolerated. Now listen, he is a fine employee who, quite frankly, always delivers amazing work, and he does so on time.
Sir? You want me to do it?
No. No.
Hey, I will do it then.
Ed, don't worry about the deadline. No. Hey, Ed, don't worry about that. Don't worry about the